Thank you for staying with us. Let's look at figures from the exchange. The market is closing the week red, despite the fact that it's been quite positive earlier in the week. Gainers for today, we have GlaxoSmithKline, we have Cadbury, we have Abibros, we have Chalaram, we have Academy Press. Losers for today, we have Maya, we have Eternal Oil, Ikeja Hotel, UPL, Sovereigns. Effiong is here. Let's look at what's been happening all through the week. Effiong, it's been an eventful week, though. The UK Secretary was here and all of that. And, it was at the exchange too. Well. But a little bit of green for the first 4 days. And it's a new month. Take it away. What is happening?
Do you want me to start with the Foreign Secretary?
Go ahead, please. Let's take it off.
It was a very, very vibrant day. That was on Tuesday.
Yeah.
He gave us great promises.
Wow.
So many of the UK firms are going to look to the Nigerian exchange. He was highly impressed by what he saw, especially, up there, the closed markets, touching the bell of the bed. We use the gong. And as he was hitting the gong, he was smiling. Earlier, his assistants were asking, what does it mean? We explained that's the traditional way of, sending messages, to people. So, the UK, Nigeria, or even African business links, going to be revived. And our exchange, the traders, they said, they want more of British companies, to be listed. And we look forward to that. The market itself, for 2 days, we had positive trade. Yesterday was very high, more than 1%. Now we are trading in the negative territory. That is to say that market correction is still in force. But there is not much to worry about because the bullish trend after this will still continue. Opportunities have existed for players in the market. They continue making profit from their investments. And the other 2 days, because we had seen almost 1 week of low trade, and that gap was created where majority of the shares of big companies had to get to average levels for new entrants to move in. So this particular one now, that same market correction is still going on. Yesterday we had the banking securities, the likes of Zenith Bank, UBA, First Bank Group, alongside MTN. They rattled the market 1.55%. And so this 0.42% still goes on to add up to market correction that we had the previous week. As I have been telling you, market cannot go in one direction. Yeah. And so it goes on. This time is beginning to stabilize because a lot of money had been taken from the market in the last 2 months in terms of profit taking as it was up, and fund managers were highly excited.
It's a good one. So what are we looking at as we move into a new week? What are your projections?
I still think that from next week, we are going to see vibrant trade back to the trading floor. Yes.
And investors' confidence, too, we expect it to turn.
Confidence has returned to the market.
Shows even for the US, UK guy that came, assuring of investments and all of that.
Great confidence that has returned to the market. Indeed, we are expecting foreigners who used to buy a lot, bring dollars to the market. Because of COVID-19, majority of them took off the market, but they are looking back to. Let me tell you, our market is very attractive. I tell you, in the African hub, after the South African stock exchange, it is not in terms of facilities, or you understand, but Nigerian market is really looking forward to.
Interesting stuff. But some companies leaving Nigeria is not a good sign. Yesterday, I think I saw in the news one of these notable companies, exiting the country, and I got worried about this challenge. Are we back to all of that again?
We've had occasions where some listed firms, I can talk about Coca-Cola, left the market. It is the board of a company that decides at any particular time what they want. A company could stay at the stock exchange for many years, and suddenly another board comes up and say, look, this is our own focus. We want to pursue this. We want to do this. So when their internal management, say we have to exit the exchange, and then they come in with their credible request, you allow them, because the market is easy to enter and also easy to
leave.
go. Yes, it practices complete capitalism. So there is no holding back. All you do, once you are listed at the exchange, you comply with the rules and you face the shareholders, you give them what they need, you do the management thing. If you want to go out and become a private firm, once you exit the exchange, nobody holds you back. You understand? So, but once you remain at the exchange, you must comply with your tax paying to the government, then the rules of the Securities and Exchange Commission, that of the stock market, then calling your meetings as regular, and then facing your shareholders and giving them what they need. Those are the requirements. It is very, very important for any country that wants development to maintain a vibrant stock exchange. Otherwise, there can't be economic growth in that environment.
I must thank you so much, Effiong Ekop. Do have a great weekend.
Thank you, Tolu.